Hopefully you enjoyed the video and congratulations to each and every one of you. I know it's hard to be in front of, yung sa Bongga City yata nandito lahat. Palakpakan muna natin sila. Okay lang ba? And I actually don't have a list of acknowledgements, but you guys know who you are. Maraming salamat po. Miss Silva and production team, thank you very much for having me. Of course, Jocelyn, Mr. Woods, and of course, SU Productions, ano po ba ito ang bago. And ngayon na kasi, nasa hotel pa ako, nagpaturo kasi ako sa paraan ng tao po ba. Wait lang, try ko lang po Taamayo, focus to. Mahal ko po kayo lahat. Maraming salamat po and have a good night. Thank you so much.
Alright, once again, give it up for Mr. Jim Rubio. Thank you for coming over to Zamboanga City and of course serving as a special guest for this year's pageant. Alright, now we go to our next set of minor and special awards. And here we go. We begin with our Miss Juicy Cologne, and she takes all these shots. To begin in the bouquet and 2,500 pesos, plus the gift